Welcome back. So today, still waiting on the wheels, but while I'm waiting, I figured my son asked me if I was gonna paint the wheels, which I did on my previous car. So I was like, you know what? Maybe I will, and I'll just get a little quick video on Plasti Dip wheels. It's reversible, it's not permanent, and the way I look at it, I have some nice wheels without forking out the extra cash. Since my cameraman is finally here, you can go ahead and wash the car. You ready, cameraman?
Good.
So he's gonna pop off these emblems. This should just come off pretty easily. There we go. Alright. Alright everyone, so this is my supplies. I know probably some of you thinking like, what the hell is that? But I'll show you in a little bit. I'm gonna go with the black matte, and then I'm gonna use the glossifier. I'll use the bags. You can use whatever you want. If you have like paper or some kind of masking paper to put on the caliper and on the rotors, just kind of wipe it off, and it just comes off pretty easily. So here's my masking tape. I just kind of ripped off a few inches. And what I'm gonna do, or what you're gonna do, is you're gonna rip off a small piece like that. Let's say about the size of a quarter. And then I'll just put it on each lug, like so. Alright, and then I'll use the last piece to wrap the valve, and bam, lug the tape. And after that, take this little thing, wonder what this is for, no, it's not to take the wheels off, and this is to push it down. Now the lugs are completely covered without you having to try to wrap them around, so just kind of stick that in, all of them. Oh. There you go. Now what you're gonna do is either take your paper or whatever you want to use, and I use plastic bags. I know these things don't come that easily from depending where you live, but for where I am, it doesn't matter. So I'll just put these bags. You want to cover your calipers, you want to cover your rotors. All right. And there you go. Wheels ready for paint. I would probably mask off the tire, but if you're doing black, I mean, it will peel off, and I would just go over it with, you know, some kind of green sponge, and it pretty much would start peeling off. But you know, it takes a little bit, but not too much. All right, guys, now time for paint. Give your plastic dip can a good shake for a good minute or two. So usually when I spray, I always like to tackle these little edges, inside pockets, any kind of wheels. You want to hit those first. Always hit these little inner edges first, because they'll be hard to get later on when you start trying to spray all the kind of open flat surfaces. Those are easy to get, but you want to do the edges, do those first. Little short sprays. You never want to just kind of keep your finger on there or start running, but just kind of light coats. actual flat surfaces, it'll kind of be easier to blend everything because you already painted the hard inside curves on your wheels. This one's not too bad. Before I had like a multi-spoke one, that was a pain, so I know those take a little extra time. But if you got a 5-spoke, oh man, it's easy. Saying about the tires, see, it's already starting to peel off, so oh, and then you just have to go, I'll just go over with it's like a sponge and a green pad, and just kind of wipe it off, and it'll start coming off. Let's see. Thanks for coming again, guys. If you like the video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and there will be more footage, some more content. This was just a little DIY. The next stage, 22s. Till next time, see you on the next one.